How to delete suggested on Messenger. Hi everyone, this is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Facebook Messenger application on your device and make sure to log into your account. Tap three-line icon at top left corner. Select gear icon at top right. From this section, locate Privacy and Safety and navigate to it. Select Hidden Contacts. This will hide people from your suggested contacts. Tap on the plus button at top right and add the contacts for whom you want to simply delete from suggested contacts. And after that, they will be successfully added to your hidden contacts and they won't be listed on your suggested contacts section. In this way, you can successfully delete the suggested on Messenger. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.